A major fire broke out in London early Wednesday morning. The blaze destroyed a large supermarket in the Golders Green area of northwest London. The fire started at Kosher Kingdom on Golders Green Road. Thick black smoke quickly spread across the neighborhood. Residents reported poor visibility and strong smoke smell. The London Fire Brigade received more than 56 emergency calls. The first call came at 6:47 am. 15 fire engines were rushed to the scene. Around 100 firefighters were deployed. They worked to contain the flames. The fire spread through the ground floor shop and a rear storage area. Firefighters battled for several hours. They focused on stopping the blaze from spreading further inside the three-story building. Several hotspots remained even after initial control efforts. Authorities advised residents to stay indoors. People were told to keep windows and doors closed. Heavy smoke affected nearby streets. Several roads in the Golders Green area were closed. Traffic were diverted and emergency services controlled movement around the site. The Metropolitan Police Service also reached the location. Police assisted firefighters and helped with crowd control. No injuries have been reported so far. Officials said it is too early to confirm the cause of the fire. Investigations have begun. Forensic teams will examine the site once it is safe. Fire officials said the focus remains on cooling the structure. They are also checking for hidden fire pockets inside the building. The incident has shocked the local community. Golders Green has a large Jewish population. The supermarket is considered one of the biggest kosher stores in London. The area has seen rising concern in recent months. There have been reports of arson attack and targeting Jewish sites. Security in the neighborhood had already been increased. In late April, a stabbing incident in the same area left two Jewish men injured. Authorities described it as a serious violent attack. It led to increased security measures. Following that incident, the UK raised its national threat level to severe. Police presence in the sensitive areas was also strengthened. Authorities said there is no confirmed link between the fire and earlier incidents. However, investigators are keeping all possibilities open. Emergency teams are continuing their work at the site. Firefighters remain on standby in the case flames reignite. Officials said public safety remains the top priority. Residents have been advised to avoid the area until further notice. The supermarket has suffered extensive damage. Parts of the building are expected to be structurally unsafe. The investigations are ongoing and more details will be released after initial forensic findings are completed. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.